We begin with a formula already entered in cell C3. In this example, the formula adds the values from columns A and B, but the same steps work for any formula. Click on the cell that contains the formula, then move your cursor to the bottom right corner of the cell. When the cursor changes into a small black plus sign, left-click and drag it down the column. Excel copies the formula to each row and automatically adjusts the cell references. This drag method works well when you only need to fill a small number of rows and want full control over how far the formula goes. You can stop exactly where you need the calculations to end. When working with large datasets, dragging is not the most efficient option. To apply a formula to many rows at once, undo the previous action so the formula remains in the original cell. Click on the cell again and place your cursor on the bottom right corner until the black plus sign appears. This time, double-click instead of dragging. Excel instantly fills the formula down the entire column, copying it to all rows with data next to them. This method is ideal for tables with tens, hundreds, or even thousands of rows. Using the double-click technique saves time, keeps formulas consistent, and makes working with large spreadsheets much faster and easier.